Welcome to Emu Bird Trivia Quiz. Which of the following is the major color of an emu? A. Black, B. Blue, C. Brown, D. Orange. Correct answer is C. Brown. Emus can reach up to how many meters in height? A. 1.7, B. 1.9, C. 2.0, D. 1.5. Correct answer is B. 1.9. Emus can sprint at how many km/h? A. 50, B. 45, C. 30, D. 55. Correct answer is A. 50. Emus can go for how long without eating? A. Weeks, B. Days, C. Hours, D. Years. Correct answer is A. Weeks. Which of the following perfectly describes emus' drinking habit? A. They drink large amounts of water. B. They drink per hour. C. They drink once a day. D. They drink infrequently. Correct answer is D. They drink infrequently. For emus, breeding takes place when? A. January and March, B. April and May, C. May and June, D. July and August. Correct answer is C. May and June. How many clutches of eggs can females lay in one season? A. 2, B. 4, C. 5, D. Several. Correct answer is D. Several. What happens to the male during incubation? A. He eats a lot. B. He drinks an adequate amount of water. C. He loses a significant amount of weight. D. He wards off dangers. Correct answer is A. He eats a lot. The eggs hatch after how many weeks? A. Around 8 weeks. B. After 10 weeks. C. Before 7 weeks. D. After 5 weeks. Correct answer is A. Around 8 weeks. The young ones reach full size after how many months? A. 10, B. 5, C. 6, D. 8. If you know the answer, please put it in the comment box. For more videos like that, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.